Can you hear me? Can you hear me? My sound is okay. Can you hear me? How about my sound? Okay.
Hi, good afternoon. Good afternoon, traders. Um, Please type number one if you hear me loud and clear. Anyone on the chat on the comment side? Can you please comment? Hi, Tony. Welcome back. Hi, Tony. What's up? Welcome back. All right. Okay. 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 So let's start. So while waiting for the few members of traders. Okay. Um, Good day and happy Friday to everyone. Okay, today is October 13. Hope you guys is doing good and good to be back here in our desk. All right. Okay. Sure, sure. Tony. Sure. Okay. Just leave a comment. So if you have any questions, you can drop comments so I can answer. Okay. So by the way, I have a guest right now. Okay. So he is my friend. Uh, he been trading for a year. So he's experienced trader. So he um uh he likes to know what the market's moving, where it's going. So that's why he is here. So yeah. So later on, so uh, he asking me where's the price going, what happened on the gold market for the next few days or next few weeks. Yeah. Okay. All right. So again, traders, welcome to Forex Live Trading. So, yep, how are you guys for the past few days? So, how's your trading? Okay. No, Robin. Hi, Sir Robin. So, which is just advertised on the trading view. So, most of the broker advertise on the trading view. So don't know that's my ID. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, congratulations, Sir Tony, your win. I told you, if you remember the last time I do live trading, yep, I do it live trading. I told you, which is the momentum is still on the bullish side, but there is a resistance on around 1875. So 1875, so he need to broke that level, then go up to 1885. So if you can see, the high last yesterday is 1885. So which is the reason why yesterday dropped because of the sell off. Okay, so let's see on the lower time frame. So if you can see the drop. Okay, so there you go. Here that level. Okay, so starting from 1885, that here. Okay. Yes, certainly. One of the factors is CPI. But if you can see, if you read the news, so most of the traders, most of the banks, big banks, which is liquidate and pull out some of the investment. But one of the factors is CPI, because if you can see, there's from 1885 down to 1867. Okay, so one of the factor, of course, the CPI. Yeah, because the CPI is bad for the gold. That's why he went down. But the reason why, which is most is the technical uh, sell off. All right. Okay. So if you can see, now we go to the higher. For the meantime, go to for a higher time frame, which is the daily. So let us screen on the daily movement again. Like what I said on uh, Wednesday, which is there is strong resistant level. Okay, take a look at this. Yeah, so which is the 1885. All right, so there is one of the factors here, that one. Okay, so holding that level, so that yesterday he trying to broke that level. Then if we can see a higher 1885 level, so there's a possibility, Sir Tony, we might see a 1900 level. But there's a possible happen tonight, not maybe not tonight or maybe next week, because he tried to go 1900 level before went down. I think probably I'm correct on my analysis, but for the meantime, he needs to break the 1885 for the meantime. Okay, so yeah, okay, so yeah, okay, for and then on the weekly, all right, one daily, weekly. All right, so here we go again. If you can see the line that I put, which is of course the levels of 1885 is very strong level. Okay, but right now he tried again to penetrate that level. Then let's see later on so what's happened. But my suggestion, sir, so everyone, my suggestion on this level, if I am going to put a position right now, okay, so based on my analysis, so here, long, okay, there you go. I'll put a buying position above 1885 to clear the penetrate of that level, because if price 1885 broken, I see the possible might see the 1900 level. So here's my target. Okay. Okay, based on weekly, so let's close to lower time frame so we can see clearly. So like 1 hour.
So you would rather, so you suggest a 1 hour instead of weekly.
Yes. Yes. Yeah. Okay.
And that's usually the range of the buying signals versus the selling signals.
Mm-hmm. Which is this is my open positions. Yes, sir. 1875 right now is a great support. Yeah. Yes, very correct. That time I analyzed last live stream, which is 8075 right now is very strong support. So yep. So this one, okay. This is my suggestion. If you put a buying position, then the target is for the meantime, okay, for sure win. So I guess might be first the target is 8090. Okay, 1890 to 1892 is a great target from the price from I put level entry buy on the 1887 because 1885 already broke that level, so very strong resistance. So I can my immediate target is 1892. After 1892, so you can clearly see the 1900. Yep. You're welcome, Sir Gao. You're welcome. Yeah. So right now, but again, there's a consideration which is if you can see yesterday, okay, there's a drop, okay, on the gold. Okay, so be careful on your trade again. So don't forget the risk management. Okay, if you can see the pattern right now, it's look like the cap and handle. If you're familiar with the cap and handle, it's like a pattern. We just go on the bullish signals. Okay, so like this here, here, then might be sideways here, then pack. Okay, so might see the 1900 level. If not broke this kind of trend or pattern, so might as well hold at 1885. So we might see back again at this level at 1865 or 66. All right. Yes, it's look like a double tap, Sir Tony, but it's only 1 hour, so the probability of accuracy is low. So the most effective way to see the double tap is more on the higher time frame. Yes. Maybe in a short time, maybe if you put a short or sell at that level, it's okay. But don't uh don't take long on your position. If you see your position it's profiting, okay, go and liquidate and go and take profit. All right. Okay, so maybe it's like a false trap to either go up or go down. Yeah. Okay, so just be careful. Just for friendly traders reminder. So because I experienced this for all my career, so just be careful. Just don't forget the risk management, especially the stop loss and take profit. Okay. All right. So take a look on the 4 hours. So let's see on the 4 hours time frame. So let me delete this one so you can see clearly. All right. As you can see the screen, the gap is still in there. All right. The gap is still in there. So there's opportunity. The price went down, of course, to fill in the gap based on history all the time. So always fill in the gap. So the question is when. All right. When the gap fill in. All right. So just be careful. All right. So for right now, okay. So again, there's a lot. Still the okay, the resistance is around there 1885 or 1883 level. Okay, because yesterday the high yesterday is 1885 and the low yesterday is 1868, which is moves move $17. All right, so it's a huge move. So if you put a standard lot from the low, which is 1867, and you liquidate at 1884 in one lot, you earn $1,700, right? Okay, if you put a standard lot. Okay, so by the way, so if you see the resistance at that level 1885, then you catch that time to put a selling position, then you liquidate at around 1868. Okay, so you earn as much as $1,000.
So,
Yeah.
question. What if it
Yes, sir.
breaks 1885? What's your
Okay.
next ano?
Okay, my next. Okay. Thank you for your questions. By the way, uh, he is a nice guy. He's a very handsome guy. There's a lot more question about trading, so there's a lot more message for me every time doing a live trading. So yeah, uh, sometimes he's a very he's my lucky one beside me because all the time when I trading, so I'm very profitable. Yeah, maybe.
I'm
Okay.
just curious about
Uh,
how much money you're gonna make today.
okay. Yes. Okay. Now, possible you make money today, which is roughly around $1,000. The expose of your volume, at least a standard lot. Okay, for the meantime, observe the trend of the market. If you can see, so sideways on 1 hour since yeah, sideways, yeah, there you go, sideways. Okay, so waiting for breakout, either out up or down. Okay, so if there's no economic data later on, you can play this because in absent of fundamental events, so more on technicals analysis, just put here, okay? Then play around the range, and you must be safe as long as you have a stop loss and take profit to protect your account. Okay. All right. So yeah, any questions, traders, sir?
Yeah, what's your resistance? Next
Yeah,
resistance.
my next resistance is 1892 for me, immediate target. Then if broke that level, okay, if that broke that level, so might see the price go up to 1900. So actually, Sir Tony waiting for that level, right, Sir Tony?
Once a buy.
Yeah. Okay. There's some of news this and traders looking at 1900. Of course, like me, I'm waiting for the 1900 to pull back. Yeah, I'm waiting for 1900. Then I go on sell again. But don't expect this year again. Don't expect this year. There's a new high of gold. Now it's possible, but small. And I guess maybe next year, yeah, possible. So because if you can see the month uh trend, okay, okay, again, the month trend is okay, is a triple top, okay, signal for bullish. On monthly pattern is a bullish trend, but on opportunity, if you can see, there's a wick on the latest bar candlestick, okay. So might be see a higher price for the meantime. So let's might be see a 1900 level before to fill in the gap on 1 hour basis. Okay. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, there you go. Yep. Yes, sir Tony. Yes. Just observe. If you put a sell now, observe, especially on the 1 hour and 30 minutes. If there's like this, if you see a lot of sideways, on the 1 hour and 30 minutes, okay, you can put a sell right now. All right, so for the meantime, for me is just observe and wait for a few hours to put a selling position, because if you can see the latest bar, the candlestick is the momentum is going up, so trying to broke the level of 1885.
How many pips from there to to the next
Okay, let's see.
support?
From 1885,
Let's assume Mr. Tony is correct.
okay, 1868. Oh, it's like
How much money will Mr. Tony make
if you, I
if
think
he's
yeah,
correct?
roughly around, if we put a one standard lot, okay, you earn as much as at least $1,300
Okay.
in one lot only.
We'll pray Mr. Tony's correct then.
Yeah. In one lot only, okay? So probably this European market, okay, so might be sideways, just waiting for the US market, because tomorrow is no trading day. All right? Then, of course, one of the reason affect right now, of course, like I said, which is the tension on Israel and Gaza. Okay, if you watch the news, read the news, okay, the tension is still ongoing, so the tension is not subside. So expect the price go on higher price. Okay, then watch out for that level 1885. Okay, then my immediate target is again is 1892. If that's break, so possible to see 1900 level or near 1900 level. Okay? All right. Okay. Sir Mr. Nice Guy, do you have a question? Okay, I just delete my drawing so you can see clearly. Okay. All right. So,
Right. Could you look
by
at
the way, can I ask a question? So, what time did you prepare to trade, sir?
1 hour?
1 hour,
1 hour. So that time frame is
30 minutes. So let's move on 1 hour. All right. Okay. So
because usually I don't know, you like to, if you have time to look at the market, I think 1 hour is a good balance.
yeah, if you do a day trading or intraday trading, yeah, yeah. Okay.
So
So
other than usually gold, what other opportunities do you see in the market?
okay. So of course, there's a lot of opportunity inside the market, but for the meantime, most of our traders is prepared the gold. Okay. So but if you can see, just a quick screen time on the US Euro USD. Okay. Okay. So Euro USD based on 1 hour. So again, it's like a sideways here. All right, sideways. Then looking for breakout. So either go up in 1 hour or go down. Okay. So for the meantime, the latest price is on the strong resistance. Okay. So might be sideways here, then down, then might be sideways again, then up, then sideways again. So waiting for the breakout. So let's see what happens next on the next few hours, or maybe next few days, if maybe tonight broke this level at the level of 1.0055, and my support is around 1.052 levels. Okay, based on the asset of Euro USD. Okay, but if you can see, there's a huge drop of candlestick. Okay, so based on my analysis, so there's a possible might be going up. So then fair on the same level of candlestick. So might be by next week he tried to go up again at 1.062 level. Okay, so that my opinion on this Euro USD. Okay, on the higher time frame, We look at the monthly. Okay. All right, so the monthly, which is for the past few months. Okay, so the momentum and bullish trend. Okay, so might be end of the year, or might be back again on the strong support, which is around 0.96 level on Euro USD. Okay, but for me, most profitable asset for me and most exciting asset for me is gold. So because of the request of my friend, so that's why we check the Euro USD. So we're back again on the gold because there are a lot of profitable opportunities here. But be careful because this is a very volatile currency or assets. All right. Okay. So any technical analysis, sir? So yeah. Hi, Tech Lab. What's up? So 1902 new target for gold if you on 30-minute chart. Yes, 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 Tech Lab. Yeah, it's a possible 1902. So that's why possible. But the immediate my immediate target is again the 1892. Then after the broke that level, so we can possible see that level, sir, which is 1902. So for the meantime, because there's a lot of resistance above to penetrate, so might be considered as that level. Okay, so let me delete again the line so you can see clearly. So okay, this one is a daily market. All right. Okay. Okay, so I just put a ghost feed. So let us see if the momentum is still continue. Okay, so let's go on a lower time frame. Okay. Okay, so let's try to draw a ghost candlestick from the 1900 level. Okay.
What's that? What's a ghost feed?
So which is the future prediction. So let's see if it has happened. If not, so that is a which is my analysis if broke that level of 1892, which is target is 1900. If the in downtrend, so might as well go on here, that level on the first support. Okay, so which is around by if the target 1900. Okay, if it's broke then 1885 or 1882. Then if not broke that level, so might see again the low yesterday, which is around 1868 and 1867. Okay, all right, then my resistance again around 1855, and the next is 1835 if fill on the gap. Okay, so for the meantime, that's my analysis. And of course 1902 is possible, but above the 1900, if we broke the 1900, may as well I see the 1914 or 1910, 190, that level. Okay. Both side is possible. It depends of the behavior on the market. It depends on the economic events. It depends on the technical. So, but don't expect the new all-time high of the gold is too far to happen. Maybe next year, yeah. But expect anytime soon, maybe uh, this coming week, the gap must fill in. Okay, so based on my observation, based on my experience, the gap is always fill in. All right. Okay, just be careful. So once the tension in Israel and Gaza subside, there's possible the price went down. Okay. Any questions, traders? Our guess?
Uh, hmm. So, what's your general sentiment for? Let's assume that the war didn't happen.
Okay.
What's your sentiment for
Okay.
gold?
If the war not happen, of course, first, no gap. If the war not happen, no gap. No momentum upside. Okay? No momentum upside. And the trend
Will
is
continue.
going down. Okay. Still going down. The price is going down because again on the monthly pattern, there's if you can see triple top. Okay. Triple top is a very strong signal for selling. Okay. Most of the time we can see the double top. This one is triple top. Okay, the most stronger on the top. Okay, which is triple top. Okay, so because of the tension, that's why maybe the recent candlestick is in bullish. So then a week on the candlestick, so might see the higher price from 1885 might be 1900 again. Okay, so but just be careful on your trade, and of course don't forget the parameters, the risk management. All right, so yep. Any questions, traders? Our guests, any questions?
None for the meantime.
Okay, so if you have, would you like say something? If what do you think if the okay, all right. Our guest is thinking right now. He if he can put sell or selling right now because right now is already on the first resistance. So okay. By the way, uh, this is my analysis. This is my opinion. So it's up to you guys if you follow me or not. But based on my experience, so for safety reason, that's why I'll go on monitoring. But I suggest um, on my look at the resistance and support, then observe the market, and once you already active, if you have an position, don't forget the risk management. All right. Okay, so Sir Tony, Tech Lab, Sir Gao. Yep. So any insight, any thoughts on the gold market? So what do you think will happen tonight? Yeah, only tonight. So before we close the market tomorrow.
Yeah, what's happening tonight? Pala?
Okay.
I mean, what's any news?
News,
Later?
the only news which is the CPI, and actually it's the BOEs later on, so which is Bank of England governor speak, but I think the not much effect on the market, just focusing on the tension between the Israel and Gaza. So maybe if there's something happen again, continue the big news on the Israel and Gaza, expect on Monday there's a gap. Okay, if we continue there's a news because the tension it's not over, it's more uncritical right now. There's more innocent affected, especially the children. So I'm hoping the tension between the Israel and Gaza is stop because uh okay, yeah, it's like it's look like it's very uh that's why that sad because there's an innocent child. Yeah. All right. Yes. Tech Lab. Economic data released early Friday showed another drop in China export and in imports in September, although they shrunk at slower pace, pointing a gradual stabilization in world's second biggest economy. For me, yes, might be effect that, but the focus Tech Lab is on the tension between the tension in Israel. Yeah, then the other like the economic like that it might be might not much effect, but for me still on the the tension in Israel. Yes.
Actually, that might be a good point.
Yeah.
Maybe we want to look at the do you have a U1 chart that we can look into?
Yeah, let's,
Maybe Tech Lab has a data.
let us check. You won. Okay. Okay. So let us check. Yeah. Okay. This is 1 hour. All right. If you can see the US dollar and Chinese, so this is the time frame. It's only 1 hour. So for me, it's like sideways.
Okay. So it doesn't the economic
Sideways.
data didn't
Yeah.
so still gold would be a better
Yes. 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 Yes, sir. But do you have a live trade on the yuan, sir?
no.
Okay.
Then that's why I'm
Okay. If
curious
you,
about
yeah, okay. That's a okay. Thank you for sharing, sir. So, but if you want the exciting trend of market, of course, go on the major currency and the commodities like gold. Yep. So might be you might be it's like it's like a boring. So let's let's go on the gold or more on the major currencies. Okay. The Israeli military said it would be operate significantly in Gaza in the coming days and civilians would only be able to return when another announcement was made. Yeah, of course, yes. Yes, yeah, yes, Tech Lab, pero for the but the meantime, so there's no announcement was made, so um, most of in Gaza is stranded inside the war zone. So actually, if you saw the news, so yeah, and of course the newscasters behind there's in the back bomb shooting missiles like of course the jets. So for the meantime, waiting for subside the market and might be able to return to the civilians in a safe place. Yeah. So for the meantime, the tension is still going. So yeah, just be careful. If you put a position, take a look. So right now, just observe the market on that level of 1885, 1892, and 1900. Okay, so my target, so probably I'm hoping to go 1900 before went down because there's a more predictable trend once the price go on 1900, then went down again. All right. So any questions, sir? Do you have any questions? So
Any other patterns that you see with maybe look at 15-minute chart?
okay,
Let's see if there's another
okay.
pattern.
For the that's why I'm looking for the higher time frame, because if you can see the lower time frame, this is a very volatile market. So might be you see a very faster movement. So okay, so if you can see, it's a big, if you look at the big picture, so big trend. So like I put my resistance support consolidate at that level. Okay, so the latest candlestick on the 15-minute, which is the red. Okay, so might again sideways. All right, then try again later. Then try to broke the 1885. If not, back again. So if the broke that level, will see the highs of 1890 to 92 level if that broke. Okay, so might be will happen later on the US market. Yeah. Yes, Tech Lab. So there's a probability 1900 we'll see tonight or maybe this coming days. But for the meantime, there's a strong I saw the strong support, strong resistance on the 1890 or 1892 level. So need to break that level, then we'll see the 1900 or above 1900.
And that's against Mr. Tony's bet of selling.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
you might have a part of a control against your
Yeah, that's why, Sir Tony. So if you think there's opportunity, yes, of course, there's an opportunity, but don't forget the risk management, sir. Okay, because this time, at this time, the market is calm side, but don't expect much movement. So might be later on once the once the US market open. Okay. So just be careful. So look out your volume, especially your if your account is small. So just be careful. All right. So don't sleep if you don't put the stop loss. Okay. So if you want to go on a rest and relax, and because today is a Friday, so it's your deserve to be relaxed and drink some, alcohol and enjoy with your friends and with your families. So just put a parameters, put a take profit and stop loss, then leave it. Then after maybe tomorrow, check your account. Then of course, I'm hoping that your position, that our position is on profit. We make money on the market while we are enjoying with our friends and with our families. Okay? So, yeah. Okay, anyone? Anyone? Any questions, suggestions? So, if do you have asset to see to screen? So just a quick recap of what they want to review, any asset. So yep.
Do you think multiple selling positions would be better
Mm,
given the current situation of the market?
what kind of assets, sir? It's a gold?
Good.
No. For me, my advice is, for me, in the same price, no. That is not advisable to do a multiple position if you put a standard lot. So not advisable for me if you put that. So maybe if you capital is big, so possible. But right now, so for your protection of your account, yeah, just do a conservative trading for the meantime. Okay. Anyone? Traders? Anyone on the comments? Don't shy to comment your suggestions, insights, reactions, so we can review because today is the last day of trading of the week. So there's a coming exciting week this next week. So another profitable week for us. Yeah. No. Yeah. Surely gold is bullish. No big news today. Yes. So the only big news today, sir, is on Israel and Gaza. So be careful on that news. So keep on watching, keep on eye if you have on live trading. So again, traders. So discipline is the key on your trade. Okay, discipline is the key on your trade. So yeah, if you plan to do a trade, do a trading plan first before execute the market. Don't guessing. Okay, don't chase on the market once the momentum is very strong. So because might be a bull trap or sell trap. So okay, so yeah, anyone, sir? Before you go,
what is bull trap?
bull trap.
What is
Okay.
that?
Okay. For example.
What is that?
Okay. For example. So
Or what's that? What's the other one?
sell trap.
Sell trap.
Okay. So which is bearish trap. So sometimes if you can see the price, for example, strong up, no hesitate to go up, then already the price on there on the top. Okay. For example, and if you think the price is going up, so don't do it. Okay, so might be a bull trap. Then after you put a position, might be go out and against on your position. So same as well as the trend on the sell trap on the false down. So might be on your the account in your risk. So don't just stay on your trading plan. Okay, stay on your resistance and support. So look at that. So again, uh don't trade your emotions. Okay, trade your trading plan. Okay, if you trade your emotions, will affect your trading plan. Okay, will destroy your trades. Okay, then there's a possible you must be frustrated or disappointed, or you might be not sleep tonight if you wrong trade um happen on your decisions. Okay, if you have a trading plan, okay, so be confident on your trade. Okay, just be confident. So trust on your trading plan, and of course at the end of your trade might be a positive on your account and additional profit on your capital. All right, so anything, Sir Bill, Sir Tony, Gao, anyone, traders in the room? Anyone? Last before we end up our live trading today. Okay, anyone, guys? Anyone, traders? Any suggestion before we wrap up our live trade? Nothing. Okay. All right. Okay. So thank you again uh, to all of you to attend our live forex trading. So I'm looking forward to see again on the next sessions. Then we will review again on this asset gold, especially on gold. Then of course we will add additional currencies because that's why I'm focusing gold right now. Gold right now is very the tension, which is more on volatile because of the that happened right now in economic events. So that's why I focus on gold. So most of the investors, traders is the position is waiting and positioning on the gold assets. All right. So thank you very much again. Thank you for all of you. Thank you everyone. Again, if you have time and this weekend, so you can chat the notes and by next time. So I'll be live on Wednesday again, everyone. So chat the notes and comment on Wednesday that what happened and any assets so we can review. All right. Thank you everyone and happy trading and have a good and profitable weekends. Thank you very much, traders. Bye for now and see you next week.